So I've got here a list of student names and some rubric scores maybe that they've had, but it's kind of confusing to figure out, okay, how are they really doing? Wouldn't it be helpful if they like lit up like a Christmas tree? Absolutely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight these columns with rubric scores, and I'm going to either right click and choose conditional formatting, or I'm going to go to the format menu and choose conditional formatting. That's going to bring up on the side conditional formatting rules on those cells. And I don't want to format the cells if they're empty. I want to format the cells if the text is equal to, it is equal to a 1, what I want to have happen. I could have the font color be red and maybe the back be a light gray. Done. But what if they have a 2? Then I'm going to add a new rule. You'll notice this is nice because it automatically applies the same range. So I'm not if the cell is empty, but rather if it is equal to a 2, maybe I want the background to be a nice light orange, but still red font. Done. Add a new rule. What if it is equal to 3? Then maybe I want the fill to be a light green and the font to be black. Now what you can do is instead of hitting done, hit add another rule, and that copies the rule. So now all I have to do is say, okay, if it's a 4, I'm going to make it a darker green. I'm going to add another rule. If it's a 5, I'm going to make the text hot pink and the fill color to be purple, and hit done. And now automatically all of these rules will be applied to the cells. Now notice when I change this 1 into a 5, it reads the cell. So I don't have to go through and manually change it. No matter the value, the formatting is going to be conditional to what's in the cell.